2022, and we have
Asuntosköyhtiö Johan on karttanut.
Maakotkantie concerns again 6 tickets be here in Korso, Vantaa, Helsinki has a bus region, Uusimaa and Finland, and we will still need to get to the stages A and C later here. And here in Korso we have just 12 elevators left to be filmed. Of these, 6 are on this side and 6 on the other side. That's even numbers now. There are 5 floors here. It was built in 1989, which is the rest fixtures turned 30 years old in 2019. Very nice. And this number is 432-805. It's going to be inspected this year, 2022. It also deserves 2 rides.
Yeah.
Well, I thought this looked like Audis 2000 from outside or something,
Yeah.
a bit newer, but it's Schindler.
Yeah.
It's a typical problem in the top and bottom.
Yes. Yes, it might be wise maintained by at least 24, so some new generic.
But it's not, I mean, it doesn't matter so much. Of course, it's good to have it, even though it doesn't work.
Yeah.
It's a decoration.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's hope we will get the final 12 elevators in Korso as soon as possible.
That's